The 13 suspects of the July 11, 2010 bombings in Kampala returned to court before Justice Owiny Dollo. A former suspect, Muhammud Mugisha, who is now a key state witness, testified against his former accomplices. Mugisha told court in Kinyarwanda that he was released on 27 January 2015 and is protected as a key state witness. He told court that he began working for the Al-Shabaab terrorist group in late 2008. He was then convinced that he was participating in jihad, or holy war as provided in the Muslim holy book, the Quran. Mugisha said he was wooed into Al-Shabaab ranks in 2006 when Ethiopian clerics asked Muslim Brotherhood to join the jihad. At the time, he was resident in Kenya. He later returned to Uganda and moved to South Africa, where he lived for a short time before coming back to Uganda. He then returned to Kenya, from where he crossed to an Al-Shabaab training base in Kismayu, Somalia. It is there where he met one of the suspects called Habib, but known as Alman, in the camp. Mugisha added that Hassan Luima later joined them in the camp. He also named Muhammad Ali, who was one of the trainers of the Al-Shabaab camp. He spent 7 months training in another camp in Barawi before they were sent to carry out attacks in Uganda. Mugisha and Ali Naban were tasked to bomb the US embassy in Uganda and had taken photos of the buildings. But shortly after, he was sent to Somalia and they did not execute the attack. Mugisha also told court that he met another suspect, Hija Nyamandondo, in Mombasa. The Tanzanian was supposed to sneak 4 bomb jackets into Uganda. The group of attackers was lodged in a house in Nankulabye, which they had rented for 3 months with the help of Issa Luima. But Mugisha was arrested at the border between Uganda and Kenya after the Kampala bombings. The suspects are battling charges of terrorism, murder, attempted murder, and belonging to a terrorist organization. The judge has ordered the prison's authorities to avail a secure end time for the suspects in order for them to recite their prayers 5 times a day because they are Muslims. This came after they raised a complaint during court proceedings that the prison authorities were denying them a chance to do so. Hearing continues on Friday. Sudil Biarhanga, NTV.